channel. So for today's video, as you could tell from the title of the video, I'm opening up these Smooshy Mushy blind boxes, and as you can tell, these were $1.50 each. Like, that's honestly insane because these were originally $10. So I decided to get 3 for myself and open them up for you guys. This is series 3. They come with a smushy pet, a mystery bestie, a smushy bottle, a mini bottle, and a sticker. You probably already know these by now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and open these up. So I guess I'll open this one up first. And it looks like the narwhal. So here it comes with a little container. I always thought these were really cute, and it comes with a ball chain, 2 of them. So it looks like I got the narwhal. This one's really cute. So there's a licensing on the back. So my guess is all of them will have a pamphlet. I'll just show the pamphlet once so that I don't have to show it each time, because you probably don't want to see it 3 times. So there's Holly Husky and Darla Dunks, Libby Llama and Candy Cotton Corn, Nixie Narwhal and Shayla Shake, I guess that's the one we got, and Selma Sloth and Marshmallow. And then you can name them, which is really cute. Here's the cute little sticker. So the feel of the squishy is pretty dense, but it is really slow rising. And now onto the bestie. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And this is also really squishy as well. These are the 2 squishies side by side. Now on to the second one. I hope I don't get a double. That would really suck. Okay, at least it's something different. It is Holly Husky and Darla Dunks. So, like the first one, it comes with a little cute container, and it comes with 2 ball chains. This time, there's 2 different colors. They're Christmas colors. There's a red one and a green one. So there's a pamphlet, which I won't show again, and then the sticker. I really like the stickers that they come with because they're really vibrant and just really cute. It's kind of smushed because it's been in there probably for a while. This one's pretty dense as well, but it's still really slow rising. Now onto the bestie. It's kind of smushed, but that's alright. It's really similar to the other one. I feel like this one's a little bit airy, but still really slow rising. So now onto the last and final blind box. I really hope I don't get a double. Yes, I didn't get a double. So I got Libby Llama and Candy Cotton Corn. So I didn't get the rare, but I'm still pretty happy that I didn't get a double. Here's a small container it comes with, and this one also comes with 2 different colored ball chains, a gold one and a teal one. Oh my goodness, this one has to be my favorite one. So there's the pamphlet inside, and here's the sticker. And this squishiness on this I really like. It's still pretty dense, and as you can tell, it's really slow rising. It's taking a really long time to come back up. And then lastly, now onto the bestie. really cute. It's also dense again. I think all of them are pretty dense and slow rising. So there's that. So these are all the squishies that I got. I'm pretty happy with them. I'm just happy I didn't get a double. So that is it for this video. I'm sorry if this kind of was a little all over the place, as I don't normally do unboxing videos. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!